Happy's off-road adventures, folks. Looking for a camp spot, a place where I can fish. But all the rivers overgrown again. All the mangroves have come back. Gotta be careful for snakes. A lot of red-bellied blacks around here. It was just here, sitting in these holes. Yeah, it's a couple of feet deep, that. Yeah, I think I'll be going back to where I was last night. Just there's the river. We used to come down in a two-wheel drive car, believe it or not. Yeah, this is not good. Used to be able to fish all along here. I don't think I'm going any further that way. Grass trees there. Black boys, as they call them. Locally named as a black boy or grass tree. Goanna. Bloody thing's going up a tree. See how he blends in with the tree there. You're right, buddy, I'm not going to. He's only a baby. He's about 1.5 meters long. Yeah. Be a good 5 feet long, that fella. He's only a baby still though. Morning, folks. Down the Mary River, down near the mouth. On the Maryborough side, down at Granville, or Beaver Rock actually. Just doing a bit of camping. That's me swag. Everybody needs tents, I don't. I do the Aussie thing with swag. A lot of boats moored down here. I'm just near a boat ramp. They still haven't gone out those ones. I've been here for quite a while rigging up. Guess it takes a while to rig up a sailboat. I don't know much about it. It's all new to me, that stuff. A bit of fishing, all it's catching is rocks. Stonefish. Old car needs a good wash. Freaking Gameri dust. I had my inverter plugged in, boiling the kettle. But I had my coffee. King Swag. Oh, Adventure Kings, I think it is. Yeah. Say so. I see the dust in the car. Doesn't show it up. Everything's covered in dust. I think it was that dry out there. We got a big storm last night here. Sort of just over in there's all cane farms. Sugar cane, that is. Yeah, anyway. Might shift camp today and go and try somewhere else. Somewhere with a few less rocks. Go down, find all the places I used to go when I was younger. Do a sky check. Chemtrails yesterday, something chronic. Thought, oh yeah, I'm not going to get a storm. I'm rushing around trying to get the tarp up.